Name is Aries, from the Rebel Investing community. I wanted to put out get more information on to people out there about this Discord that we have, which is the Rebel Investing Discord. We are an LLC, certified by the state of California. Just kind of, give a rundown of how the Discord works and what it has to offer, and maybe bring in some young traders or experienced traders like yourself, or maybe people to our community to better the people on here and make it grow. So let's get started. I should probably do a welcome. So my name is Aries on the Discord, and the other trader that's on here, his name is Rebel Mike. We are the two traders that are on here currently, pushing out information for anybody that needs it, on all kinds of stuff from stock news to technical analysis, which is more of what I am, as I'm a technical analysis guy. Rebel Mike, he is more of a speculative trader and stock news trader. But together, we work together really well, because he may see something based off of what he finds out on the news, and then with my charting experience, I can kind of chart the way and figure out entry points or exit strategies on a trade. So that's just the founders of the Rebel Investing community is myself and Rebel Mike. It's kind of like our background of what we like to trade and how we like to trade. But let's go ahead and go to the welcome. So we have the disclaimer here on the welcome page, and the links for the website will be in the description. Also, the Discord link will be in the description. So if you guys are wanting to trade, or even hey, we all started somewhere. It's not fun trading alone. So having a community to trade with and share ideas and share stocks, as there are 7,000 stocks out there that, just in the New York Stock Exchange, you know what I mean, that we don't know what's breaking out, what's running down, and whatnot. And it goes out to more than just the New York Stock Exchange. It can go out to, crypto trading and forex trading if there's guys that are into that. So this is our disclaimer. All the information that we give on the actual Rebel Investing community, it's for entertainment and instruction purposes only. We're not financial advisors, so we don't, we're not liable for anything that you guys are trading. Everything is done with your own due diligence, your own research on the actual, trading portion of it. So we have rules, of course. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just be respectful to others. Don't treat somebody the way you want to be treated, wrongly. So we just want to make sure it's a safe community, a safe forum. Our terms and condition, obviously it's right here if you want to click on it. We have social media links, ton of them. We have a website, Twitter, YouTube, obviously, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I'm sure we're going to grow into more. We have a bulletin, kind of explains everything in the bulletin of what we are, and any kind of like news that's coming out pertaining to Rebel Investing. We'll throw it on here just to keep everybody, informed of what's going on. We have our testimonials page of people who's made money. And then we have our upgrade page. So in our upgrade page, we offer all this information for a low cost of $6 a month to become a gold member. As a gold member, you'll have access to pretty much what I'm going through right now, so you can kind of see what's going on. But as a gold member, you'll be able to see some swing trades live that me or Rebel Mike is going into, or even other traders that's in our platform that are sitting there going in on trades, and you'll see what they're looking at, or even like the charting that goes along with it, or the news that goes along with it to kind of back up why this trade could possibly make you money. Ticket support, it's if you have any issues, you click on this little envelope here. It'll notify either myself, Rebel Mike, or the moderators on anything that you have going on. If you want to cancel subscription, if you want to, if you have an issue with any of the channels here, if somebody's, not following the rules, you can definitely open up a ticket for that. So here's our stock page, or stocks category. We have a trade chat for everyone. Everyone that's on here, that's a free member, gold member, platinum member, they all have access to this, so you can ask questions. And we're usually pretty good at responding to questions that you may have if you don't understand things. Like I think this guy, Queen, he was asking stuff about what liquidating your portfolio means. And no stupid question, or no question is a stupid question. We all start somewhere. I had to ask the same question somewhere else. So it's just a matter of people getting out there and asking those questions, so we can all learn together. The trade chat is for platinum and gold members only. This is where we actually set up some of our trades. Not really set up, but just inform people of what's going on. If a certain stock, like this one sends, if it moved past a certain price target, we'll go in and notify people on the trade chat. We have a watch list. Watch list is pretty self-explanatory. We usually try to do this once a week on stocks to watch for the week. That way people are informed of what's going on. We either do it on Twitter, and we'll share the link on Twitter, or from Twitter to our Discord, or we'll play stocks like this, where we'll just start putting out a list of stocks that, hey, people should look at. Stock news. This is where Rebel Mike is more of in charge, or he puts a lot of the news out here. Anything that he's find out that, hey, could be beneficial to people that's coming in, or that wants to trade. If there's a certain thing that pops up that possibly could make you money, he'll throw in the stock news and make sure that everybody's informed of the most recent news that's coming out. Chart analysis. This is where I kind of come in, being a technical analysis trader. I like to use charts, and a lot of the stuff I do, anything from figuring out trend lines, channel ups, channel downs, support, resistance, entry points, anything like that, I kind of throw on here. It doesn't mean you have to actually go in on these trades, but these are things that people can look at using Fibonacci to retracements to figure out when the falls are happening and when the supports are coming in. So I kind of go through stocks, I screen stocks to figure out where all that stuff is coming in, and kind of chart it out for people to either use as a reference so they can do it themselves, or look at my charting and then kind of figure out where they want to enter in a trade. Reports. So the reports is more like the earnings reports, what's coming out for the week. You could possibly make money off earning reports if you know what you're doing with them. So I kind of throw out the reports once a week, and also the top stocks for S&P 500, Nasdaq, the Russell 2000, anything like that, so people can be informed of the stocks that's coming in for the week and where they're at. Let's see, for alerts. Alerts is probably one of our top channels. We have a free swing alert where I push out alerts for different strategies for free members. This is just for the free swing alert channel. And I would put out alerts as in this one, OSBC. I'll put in a particular strategy, as you can see here. Undo these. So here's an OSBC swing alert where I put in as an entry at $9.65, and then your price targets $10.20, which would put you at a 5.5% profit. This is a swing, so you're going to hold it for a little bit. A second price target, $11 for 14%, and then a take profit at $11.20 to $11.40 for 16 to 18% profit, and of course have your stop loss. So I push out this alert for people to follow, and then as you see, I also make sure that I keep people informed. That when it does hit the price target, you can either get out, stay in. It's up to you. It's up to whatever your risk and rewards you want based off the stock and how it's trading. So there's definitely a lot of stuff that can go on in these alert channels. Same thing with day trades. Missed 785. entry 815 first price target, second price target is 830. Take profit at 850 for a 9% profit, with a stop loss at 746 for a 5% loss. So people can go in on these trades and then figure out when they want to get out. If they want to take it all the way to take profit, which I would say is the most riskiest way to do a trade, but there's possibilities based off the charting that it could hit that price target, which is good, and it makes you money. Swing trade, same thing. Swing trade, we put out alerts for swings. Day trades, to go back to day trades, these are trades that happen on the same day. Swing trades happen overnight. You would hold the stock at least throughout the night and then sell it the next day or further out. Options, I use a lot of sweep options. Sweep options are great. It puts out how many people are actually in this contract or bought into this contract in bulk. So this helps out people with options. When they see a lot of people jumping into options, they would they could possibly make money by getting into that option also. Long plays is great. Rebel Mike is usually the one that runs the long plays, but sometimes I'll jump in and throw some long plays out there. Good example is new long plays with ARK, and all these profits are coming in from it. He pushed it out. He says, "Hey, check it out." You know what I mean? You're going to hold on to the stock for who knows, a year, 2 years, 3 years, maybe 6 months. It depends on what the long play is going to be all about, and pushes you out into that realm of getting massive profits in your trades. Recap. Every day we put out a recap. At least the two main traders put out a recap of what we're holding, what we've opened, what we've closed. Same thing with Rebel Mike. He puts out his positions where he's at on the day. This is good because it just shows people like, hey, look, we're still holding on these positions. Like a lot of people on other Discords that I've been on, it's like, hey, are they still holding? Is this trader still holding on this position? I don't know if he is or not. So this is just kind of giving you that sight of like, hey, this is what I'm still holding, guys. Like, don't sell, or it's up to you what you want to do. It's your money. But I'm still holding on these positions, and I've closed on these positions. I've also, in the trade chat, is where I would say I'm out of a position. So I let people know when I get out. You're not waiting for me to put up my recap just to get it. Signals. All right, signals are pretty cool. Here's these signals. We use an algorithm on TradingView that helps us put signals down for buys and sells. For example, if I click on this, you'll see a buy signal here, sell signal here, buy signal here. So you will actually, if you follow the signals, you'd be able to make money throughout the signals. If you bought here, sold here, I mean, I don't know what the percentage is that you make, but it's massive percentage. Yeah, you're holding the stock for a little bit, but if it's not telling you to sell, then no, don't sell. So we do have which is fairly new. I've not seen this in other Discords yet. It's a way where you can actually request for a stock to be signaled. As in here, it says, asking a Centurion member, hey, can you place a buy signal alert for Tesla on a 4-hour chart? And the individual will put a alert down, and then once the alert comes available, you'll see it in the signal alerts automatically once the signal happens. This is a pretty good tool for people to make money. And day trading and swing trading is pretty good. Education channel. So this is a pretty cool channel that I developed to help people understand things from stock basics, like what's a SPAC, from the pattern day trader rule, taking profits, price targets, and stop losses, or how to set them on Robinhood and Webull, to how to buy your first share. It's just a bunch of stuff. Charting, like how to chart. These are the different ways or different patterns that you might see when you start charting: a cup and handle, a bullish pennant, the double top M, the head and shoulders pattern. And it just gives a brief description of what it is and what it does. Candlesticks, how to read candlesticks, the highs and lows, how it works, the different types of candlesticks and what it means. Because it could change the way a stock is going based off of the candlestick description or the candlestick type. Screening, trying to learn how to screen for stocks. That's probably one of the hardest things to do, is to screen for a stock so you can get the breakouts or the runs on it and find out if it's going to make you money. Finding the channel ups. I'm still developing the screening channel, but eventually it's going to be up and running, and then people can go on there and screen stocks on their own. Risk management. Risk management is extremely important. At least to me, it is. Everybody has their risk and reward parameters. I'm kind of explaining it, how to set your risk rewards parameters, like how much loss can you take on each trade over, how much profit you're going to take over each trade, be it a day trade, a swing trade, or an options trade, and how to set up stop losses and your price targets and take profits. Options, how to read the options, the flow charts, and whatnot. It'll be in here, the terminologies and options. So terminology of what we use in Rebel Investing, so you can kind of follow along and be able to know what a BTO is, buy to open, or ITM, in the money, things like that. So because we use a lot of acronyms, and that might help people figure out where they're at. So I'm not gonna get through thrift savings or margin accounts, stocks, websites, the Wall Street Bets guys. Following those following those websites, TradingView, FinViz is the stock screener. And that's it for the education channel. The education channel is going to continue to grow as I learn something and use it in my everyday trading. I will throw other information in here so you can learn from it also. So the whole purpose of this channel is to teach people how to fish instead of just fishing for them. Like, I want you to be able to look up stocks and trade on your own. That way, when you become an experienced trader, you're helping me out in the long run, and vice versa. We have a bunch of lounges. You can talk about whatever you want, sports, political lounge if you're into that. Just let it all out in here. There's no, there's filters, but as long as you're being respectful, everything should be all right. We also have bots. We have a stock bot, and this is where you can play with the bot and figure out what's the popular stocks, the top gainers. So it's a pretty cool bot. It's open for the gold and platinum members. Option bot, same thing. You can look up technical analysis on specific stocks, figure out resistance levels, support levels, Fibonacci levels, and whatnot. We also have a news bot. The news bot is pretty cool. It is constantly running. It goes through Reddit. It goes through investing.com. It goes through a bunch of websites. Pulls the news from there, so you don't have to sit there and look for it. It's all going to be right here, and it's related to stocks or possibly what could happen in the future. So it's kind of nice to have. And that's Rebel Investing. I'll go to the website. So the website, rebelinvesting.com, rebel-investing.com, I'm sorry. You'll be able to kind of see where our terms and conditions are. I'll go back to the homepage. So we have, you can subscribe with an email address. You can always chat with somebody on Rebel Investing. Signing up kind of shows you how to sign up for this. You create your Discord, pay a subscription, unless you want to be a free member. But as I said before, free members don't really get as much as the gold members or the platinum members do. So the best bet is to become a gold member. It's definitely worth it. You'll definitely make your money in a couple trades as a gold member. So if you want to be a free member, this is the Discord link. Goes right to Discord. You can sign up, or you can accept the invite into our Discord, and it's free. You get access to the Discord, general chat, available support. Or you can become a gold member. Sign up, $6 a month, build monthly. This will go to the website to sign up. Automatically makes you a gold member, and you have access to the Discord as a gold member. General chat, trade chat, stock news, trading, investing basics, education, trading alerts, day swing, long-term alerts, and also, of course, the new signal alert. So, if you have any questions, definitely, get on the Discord or find me on Twitter at Rebel Investing. and we're here to help out as best we can. We're trying to give back and make money for you and make money for me. It's definitely a win-win. Anyway, description of everything is going to be in the description, or the links for everything is going to be in the description. So if you have any questions, get a hold of us somehow, whether it's in the comments or go into the Discord and ask questions on there. We're always free. I always got my phone on me. I'm always on the computer, and I'm here to help. Same thing with Rebel Mike. If he can't get to you, then I'll get to you. If vice versa, if none of us can get to you, eventually you're gonna get somebody's gonna get to you and answer your questions that you have for pertaining to stocks, Rebel investing, what we're all about, and how we do our business. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we see you on our Discord.